Okay, I'm taking off. This is the first day of using the GoPro, I guess in about 3 weeks, and I don't know what's going on. I can't get it to connect to my iPhone. So I pushed the record button before I left the apartment, and I will just wait till I stop somewhere to turn it off. I hope you're not turning, car, because I am. I think I scared her. The El Paso roads sure are wavy, bumpy. They're really hard on my pickup truck, probably because I need a new suspension for the truck, new suspension system or new shocks. I mean, the truck is a 2004. It has not had any of that changed out since 2004. The motorcycle has a much more smoother ride on these roads than does my truck. And this is one of the things I miss about California is splitting lanes, and I can't do it here. It looks like school is back in session for Eastwood High School. They've got the speed limit flashers going. There's cars in the parking lot. And yesterday when I drove through here in the afternoon in my truck, I saw kids leaving the building. So I guess Eastwood is back in session. I think what I heard my sister-in-law say is that they can go back to school, but it's parents' choice. If the parents say no, then the kids will do virtual learning. I gotta remember to pick up a dead cat for the microphone inside this helmet, because when I breathe like this, let's see if that picked it up. The microphone picks up my breath when I'm breathing, and it shouldn't. The dead cat would stop that. According to my niece, there is a Walgreens that way on Yarborough Street. Warm today, but not as hot as it's been the last couple of days. Ooh, I gotta get gas in this motorcycle. I'm gonna have to somehow figure out how to get this GoPro mounted different so it's not interfering with my face mask. Boy, this motorcycle sure needs a cleaning. It should do it. Let's see, would you like a receipt? Nope. I could be wrong, but I think I'm running the GoPro at 2.4K. I know it's 120 frames per second. Maybe not. Maybe I'm doing 1080p because at 2.4K at 120 frames per second, stabilization's turned off. I'm going up here to Walgreens because I had a device back in California. It's called Snore, S-N-O-R-E, RX, and it really helped diminish my snoring. Some nights it'd be 0 even. And I packed the darn thing. I was gonna buy one online, but Walgreens online shows that there might be some at this store I'm going to. I hope there's at least one. And it's interesting, when you buy this device online, it's like $100. Walgreens sells them for $59.99. What's the deal? The breeze really feels good through my jacket. I'll get to a stoplight and I'm sitting there for a while because the lights in El Paso take forever. I'll start to sweat. And then when I get going, this jacket, which is pitted full of breathing holes, man, it makes the sweat evaporate and I cool right down. So that Walgreens, I'm thinking it's to the right up here on Montana. I've been here once before. I just can't remember if I turned right or left. And there it is. It is a right-hand turn. Let's see if they scream and yell at me like the CVS for not wearing a mask. I'm looking for a device. They're called Snore RX. I think they said might be one in the store. Yeah, they're it's a mouthpiece that juts your lower jaw forward and it actually helps stop snoring.
The mouthpiece?
I hope you have them. Snore RX, and it's going to be in a box. Yeah. Here it is, right here.
Oh, this one. Okay.
You have 3. Yeah, see, what you do is you put this in hot water for like, I think, 60 seconds. You'll pull, because the sissy's got a little lever there, and then you pull it out and you quickly dump it in cold water. You put it in your mouth and bite down for like, I don't know, half a minute, and then you put it back in cold water for 4 minutes. And then what it does is the bottom part can be moved out in millimeters, and it juts your jaw forward. It opens up the throat so you don't snore, and they work. Thank you. Oh, heck yeah. For children? Yeah. Have a good day. So that's what I was looking for. Can you read that? Snore RX. Do want to keys turned here with the Snore RX. And that should stop my snoring. It did in the past, it should do it again. And look what Valerie and the kids gave me. Hoo-yah. My niece. My favorite niece. Did I say that with my outside voice? There's a breeze picking up and it really feels good. Okay. friction zone. Quick, Frank, before the traffic picks up. This is Montana, and I tell you what, a lot of people use this road so as to stay off the highway, and this street gets friggin' busy. I guess the schools are running in El Paso. We've got the school zone flashers going.